I'm Courtney. I'm so excited to have you here. I don't want you to miss out on any of the fun, so make sure you click that red subscribe button down below. While you're there, make sure you hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any of the fun videos that I do upload 3 times every week. So today I have a special treat for you. I have this awesome lip look for you. And this is a layered look, so I took 3 different shades of lip scents, layered them together to create this awesome custom lip color that's not gonna smudge or budge off all day long. Okay, so y'all can see I've already got my face on, but I wanted to jump on and do a fun layered lip for y'all for today. So real quick, I'm gonna wipe my lips off. I've got just since I've just done my makeup, I'm gonna make sure I don't have any foundation or anything like that on there. Looks like, okay, so I'm gonna layer 3 colors for you guys today. I'm gonna layer Plum, and then a layer of dark pink, and then a layer of caramel apple. So this is gonna be really fun, I think. I'm kind of excited. So remember, we gotta shake, 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 and we're gonna do 3 layers just like normal. So we're gonna start with just 1 layer of each. Now, Plum is a darker color. It is a thinner consistency. If you notice that it's going on streaky, try with a little more product on your wand. Here we go, let that dry really well. While that's drying, I'm gonna shake up my dark pink. Down, we'll get a shake on our 3rd layer, our caramel apple. I'm gonna let that dry for a second, and I'm gonna top it with some pink glitter gloss. So y'all tell me in the comments below what you think. I'm super excited about this lip trio. If you have any questions or anything like that, please leave them down below and I'd be happy to answer them. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up so that I know to make more videos like this one for you in the future. Until next time, y'all have a great day.